में 1 से 5 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म हुआ बंद। जी हां, सियालदह स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म 1 से 5 आज यानी 6 जून से 9 जून दोपहर 2 बजे तक पूरी तरह से बंद रहेगी। इस दौरान बाकी के 16 प्लेटफॉर्म पर यात्री सेवा जारी रहेगी। जुलाई महीने से शुरुआत से ही सियालदह स्टेशन के हर प्लेटफॉर्म पर 12 कोच वाली लोकल ट्रेन चलने के लिए तैयार हो जाएगी। जी हां, आपको बता दें कि सियालदह स्टेशन से लोकल ट्रेनों में यात्रा करने वालों के लिए अच्छी खबर सामने आ रही है। सियालदह में और नॉर्थ ब्रांच पर जल्दी 12 कोच वाली लोकल ट्रेनें शुरू हो जाएंगी। इससे पूर्वी रेलवे की कार्यालय के साथ 33% अधिक यात्री ले जाने की सुविधाएं मिलेंगी। करीब 300 लोकल ट्रेनें को 9 कोचों से बदलकर 12 कोच कर दिए जाएंगे, जिससे हर लोकल ट्रेन में लगभग 1000 से भी अधिक यात्री सफर कर पाएंगी। अब 12 कोच वाली ट्रेनें चलने के लिए तैयारी जोरों पर चल रही है। प्लेटफॉर्म विस्तार के साथ साथ नॉन इंटरलॉकिंग कार्य भी जारी रहेगी। इसी वजह से कुछ समय पहले सियालदह मेन और वनगांव शाखा में मेगा ब्लॉक योजना बनाई गई थी, लेकिन चुनाव के दौरान यात्रियों को परेशानी हो जाती। ऐसे में रेलवे ने अपनी योजना को रद्द कर दिया, लेकिन अब चुनाव के परिणाम आने के बाद रेल अपनी योजना के अनुसार कार्य करने जा रही है। ऐसे में 3 दिन तक काम चलेगा। सियालदह जैसे महत्वपूर्ण स्टेशन पर एक साथ 5 प्लेटफॉर्म बंद होने से ट्रेन सेवा पर असर पड़ना स्वाभाविक है। सियालदह में कुल 21 प्लेटफॉर्म है, इसमें 5 प्लेटफॉर्म बंद रहेंगी।
What I'm saying is, because we will be platform 1 to 5 will remain suspended, so there will be delays, the frequency will go up.
What you are saying, sir has categorically said that we have to take another action, another work in the month of in the end of this June. So we are targeting our 5 coaches, 12 coaches train from 1 to 5, platform 1 to 5 by the end of this June or first week of July.
But it is clear that one and two you will run 12 coaches train from this date only, from 7, platform 1 and 2.
Let me again explain. We have divided this work into 3 phases.
Yes.
First phase is almost complete, where we have done all behind the scenes work, some work on the field also, but the entire work has been planned and executed without affecting any train services. Now the second part of the work involves change in the layout of the tracks, so that we get enough space to extend our platform. So that change in layout of the track, change in the overhead wiring, change in the signaling system, that is phase 2 work that we are proposing from 7th of odd hours of 7 to 9th 1400 hours. Now once this phase 2 is done, it will give me space to undertake the further extension work. That further extension work will continue till end of June. So from July onwards, we will have all rakes 12 coaches running from all the platforms.
But during this construction work, second phase works, you will run 12 coaches only.
During this second phase work, because the frequency between 2 successive trains will go up, there will be some accumulation of passengers, more number of passengers on the platform. So we will strive to run 12 coach EMUs from platform 6 onwards up to 20.
It's your optimum use of
Yes.
It's your optimum use of your.
As I said earlier, this is only a repercussion of 2 days, but the repercussion or the advantages that will accrue out of this work is something that needs to be celebrated.
No, definitely. This work was long waited.
Yes. So as I said, our passengers have cooperated with us from February onwards, and we are committed to provide them the best of the services. So maximum number of services are being run. Some short terminations because of operational exigencies we have to resort to, but no long distance trains have been cancelled. That also we would like to highlight. Yes, absolutely. Unless we do that, this work will take, this is a 1 week work. We are compressing it to 2.5 days. Now that is only possibly work 24 hours with maximum number of people. So there will be about 400 people.
There will be huge pressure, but it will come separate and simultaneous.
Yes, that is, as I said, we have deliberately planned it this way that at least out of 2.5 days, maximum time is on a weekend. And also there are no exams, children exams, all board exams are now over. So this will cause minimum disturbance to them.